Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of installing a fence, perfect for beginners. Let's get started with some essential tips. First, plan your fence layout. Measure your yard and mark where the fence will go. Use stakes and string to outline the area. This will help you visualize the project and ensure accuracy. Step 2. Check local regulations. Before you dig, make sure to review any zoning laws or HOA guidelines regarding fence height, materials, and placement. You don't want to run into issues later. Next, gather your materials. You'll need fence panels, posts, concrete, a level, a post hole digger, and screws or nails. Having everything ready will make the process smoother. Now it's time to dig the post holes. The general rule is to dig holes about 1/3 the height of the fence. Make sure the holes are spaced according to the width of your panels for a secure fit. Step 5. Set the posts. Place your posts in the holes, ensuring they are level. Then, fill the holes with concrete to secure them. Allow the concrete to cure for at least 24 hours before moving on. Next, attach the panels. Start at one end and work your way across. Use a level to ensure each panel is straight. Secure them using screws or nails, depending on your fence type. Finally, finish up, trim any excess post height and apply paint or stain if necessary. Regular maintenance will keep your fence looking great for years to come. And there you have it. Installing a fence may seem daunting, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to a successful project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.